No, 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 no,
I've been building this loop of How Deep Is Your Love by Calvin Harris, but the problem is the build is just taking me too long. See, the problem for me right now on this live looping journey is trying to figure out how I'm going to go about building up complex songs that sound interesting, take me away from just an acoustic guitar and singing, yet don't take forever to build, don't bore people when I'm building the loop, and adding those layers is justified. So that means I need to find a way to build my loops much more efficiently. Let me first show you the typical problem that I've been facing. See, the problem is if you layer keys and then the vocal harmonies one by one, and they're each 4 bars long, it's just going to take way too long. You'd record the keyboard, 3, 4. You then have to record vocals. So if I wanted to end up with a vocal loop like this with 4 different layers, it's not the most advanced harmony by any means, it's just simply an octave, but I like the sound of a double-tracked part, so I've got the lower octave twice and the upper octave twice as well. I'd have to do that pass 4 times, plus the keys, just making it way too slow and probably way too boring for the audience to watch for the sake of just a few little vocals and a few extra layers. By the way, if you want to learn a little bit more about Loopy Pro, I've got a completely free course. Links are available in the description. So recently, I started trying to build these loops in a different way. I realized that if I took advantage of a few settings inside Loopy Pro, I could do things a lot quicker. For example, I realized that by taking advantage of some settings inside Loopy Pro, I could record more than one loop at the same time. I can also set the loop lengths differently. So say I'm recording a 4-bar loop on the keyboard, I could layer up a 1-bar loop for the vocals or the vocal harmonies, meaning that I can start to get these thick layers in the same amount of time. Okay, so real quick on the technical side, I have preset my loop lengths to what I require. The synth is set at 4 bars. You can swipe up and change the length here. So that's 4 bars because that's how long I need for those chords to do one pass. And then the vocals I've set to 1 bar. What this does is allows me to overdub that 1-bar loop, the vocal loop, 4 times in one pass. And the only other setting that I have changed here under my color group settings of vocals, the recording settings are a little bit different. They automatically overdub. So normally if you recorded, it would then start playback. But in my case here, after I have recorded one loop, it'll overdub. Let me quickly demonstrate. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that, we've now got a thicker vocal harmony loop that didn't take too much time to build. So the key takeaway for me here really is that I need to find a way to build my loops much quicker. I need to find a way to create multiple sections, maybe a verse and a chorus, and then bring different elements back in. But I don't want to be building just a simple 4-chord loop for say 2 or 3 minutes, because I don't think that's worth it. So with all that said, let's now take a listen at what it sounds like.
no, 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 free me now, and let me be your aid. Let me prop your body freely.
By the way, if you want to see this full performance and a breakdown of my different layers, you can find it over on Patreon. Links are in the description. So that's where I'm at with this right now. It's not perfect by any means, but I am finding new and exciting ways to speed up my loop builds. At this moment, I'm still trying to figure out what's worth adding in and what's not when it comes to layering up. I think I'm probably trying to do too much live, trying to add too many layers. I should maybe pull it back a little bit and think about individual elements being really strong. But I thought this might be quite useful for some of you out there looking to kind of get into Loopy Pro to try and see some of the struggles I'm facing along the way. If you want to see the full looping rig that I've used in this video, click the video on screen now and I'll show you my full live looping rig for 2026. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.